With jobless claims coming in far lower than expected and Congress finally reaching an agreement on the debt ceiling, albeit a short one, the major indices are recovering today. We're going to talk about that as well as cryptocurrency because, man, they are on a tremendous run right now, but Bitcoin has corrected a little bit. We're going to talk about all of that in this video, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tip Ranks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. What a day it is in the market. Let's jump over to tipranks.com. We've got the S&P 500 up 1%, 1.12% exactly. We have the Dow Jones up 1.23% and the NASDAQ up right around the same, 1.27% today. But what's going on? Jobless claims came in far lower than expected, and that was fantastic news for the economy. However, the debt ceiling, the Congress has finally reached an agreement on the debt ceiling, albeit a short one. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says we have reached an agreement to extend the debt ceiling through early December, and it's our hope that we can get this done as soon as today. The pact allows the debt limit to increase by $480 billion, a sum the Treasury Department says will let it pay its bills until December 3rd. It wasn't long ago that we were talking about Janet Yellen testifying at Congress. This was just last week saying, look, if we don't do something right now, the United States could go into default for the first time in history. That would not be a good thing for a country to go into default and not be able to pay its bills. I knew that wasn't going to happen. They had until October 18th to make some sort of decision. I'm glad they were able to do it a week and a half ahead of time, it seems like. So this is really, really good news. It's allowing the markets to kind of catch a breather right now after some pretty big corrections here in the stock market last month. Like we talked about, the S&P 500 had the worst month since March of this year, and the NASDAQ and the Dow, in fact, had the worst month out of all the months of the year just last month in September, and we've been talking about that. Traditionally, September is a pretty bad month for the stock market, and October looks to be turning around. And if you peek at some of your favorite stocks out there that you really, really like, you may see that a lot of them are in the green today. I just made a video about Nano Dimension. They're up 3% today, about doubling where the NASDAQ is. And if you look at some of your other stocks, your favorite stocks out there may be doing really, really well today. Last I checked, Alibaba was up 8.5%. NEO was up 7%. So some big gains today. Let me know if any of your favorite stocks are moving quite a bit today and if you're excited about that. Let's move on. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies. My goodness, Bitcoin, guys, is actually down today, right around 2%, 1.7% or so last time I checked. And Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear since hitting right around 42,000 back on September 29th. Bitcoin is up roughly around 30%. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 15 and 20% from their all-time highs respectively. So we're getting really, really close to Bitcoin being at all-time highs. Again, I wanted to do a poll down in the comments. Let me know how you guys feel. Where do you think Bitcoin is going to be trading at by the end of this year? Do you think it's going to get back to all-time highs or above all-time highs? All-time highs for Bitcoin is right around 65,000 per coin. Do you think it's going to get back there or above by the end of the year? Do you think it's going to trade relatively flat, or do you think we're going to see Bitcoin correct back down? Let me know how you feel down in the comments. Bitcoin is back above $1 trillion market cap for the entirety of Bitcoin, which is always amazes me. But Ethereum is over $400 billion market cap right now and is up 1.29% on the day. Crazy stuff going on with crypto. And if you guys have been paying attention, people have been spamming talk about Shiba Inu in the comments lately. That is going absolutely bonkers as well. That was up 200% just a couple days ago. It just ran like bonkers. Everyone's talking about that. And it sounds like that was fueled a little bit by Elon Musk, which he tends to move crypto quite a bit whenever he wants to. So guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Let me know how you feel about this good news we're having today in the stock market. I think it's fantastic that we're getting past this month, terrible month of September, and I think October is going to be a good one, and this is just the beginning of that. So let me know how you guys feel. Hopefully you feel good. As always, thank you so much for joining me for another video. If you learned anything new or found any value in this video at all, let us know by hitting that subscribe button and that like button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.